Hi my dear students, in the previous videos we discussed how to multiply the two matrices that we discussed. In today's class I am going to discuss if the matrix given matrix is of the order 2 cross 2, then easily we can simplify. But students, if the given matrix is of the order 3 cross 3, so here the matrix is of the order 3 cross 3 because 1 2 3 3 rows are there. 1 2 3 3 columns are there. So if the given matrix is of the order 3 cross 3, then it is very complicated to find the multiplication. Or here I took one example, that is if A is equal to a matrix given to you and they ask you to find A square. So such type of questions we proved in the previous videos, A cube minus 6A, or like that some questions will arise. So in such situations, if I wanted to multiply the any matrix, two matrices, if I wanted to multiply means we can use the row by column method. So first I'll tell the normally how should multiply the two matrices, that already we discussed, even though I'll discuss once because before studying the short trick. So what is that? Today I am going to discuss the short trick of multiplication of matrices. If I have the two matrices, how I should multiply easily the given two matrices, that I am going to study today's class, or we discuss today's class. So my dear students, here the given matrix is of the order 3 cross 3 and we already know that what is that? Here it is, if I wanted to find A square means we should multiply A into A. So it is nothing but the two matrices I am multiplying. So what is A here? It is A is 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. This is the one matrix we have, multiplications. And next I am multiplying with the same matrix because I needed the A square. So today's class I am just discussing if I have the two matrices, how to multiply short, that we are going to discuss. So next multiplications, 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. So always we normal method. First I will explain the normal method, that is if I have the two matrices, how to multiply, that I will explain once. Clear my questions? Please remember, already I discussed how to multiply the two matrices that we discussed. In today's class we are discussing the shortcut method, in short how to multiply the two matrices. Before that I will explain generally how we are multiplying. So generally before multiplication of the any matrices, always we should check whether the number of columns in the first matrix must be equals to the number of rows in this matrix. Clear my dear students? Then only multiplication is possible. Here 1 2 3 3 columns are there. Here 1 2 3 3 rows are there. So in the first matrix, or you can call it as the pre-multiplying matrix, the number of columns must be equals to the number of rows in the second matrix or the post multiplying matrix. So if these two values, the number of columns in this matrix the equals to the number of rows in this matrix, if those both are equal, then only we can multiply the any two matrices. Clear my questions? Next my students, and the multiplication is done by row by column, and that is first row first column. So what is here first row first column? So here I will write here it is first row first column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. First row first column. Next my students, first row second column, that is here it is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. So 1 into, here it is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Next my students, first row third column. So what is that? Here it is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. First row first column, then I leave some space. Next first row second column, first row third column, that I wrote. Next my dear students, second row first column. So that is 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3. Second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Clear, my dear friends? Next, second row, second column. That is 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Next, my dear friends, second row, third column. That is 3 into 3. Second row, third column. 3 into 3 plus of minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. That is second row, third column. 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. This multiplication already we discussed, my dear friends. If you want again, if you wanted to see how to multiply the two matrices, you can refer my previous videos, multiplication of matrices. Just I am revising the things. So clear, my dear friends. Here next, next here it is third row, first column. So therefore 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Third row, first column. 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Next, my dear friends, third row, second column. 4 into 2. Third row, second column. 2 into minus 2 plus, here it is, that's the third row, second column. 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Next, my dear friends, third row, third column. So here it is 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So further simplify this, my dear friends. Further, if you simplify this, you will get that is equals to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12. Next, my dear friends, 2 into 1 is 2 plus into minus 2 plus 3 2s are 6. Next, my dear friends, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Next, my dear friends, 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus plus minus 3 2s are 6. Next, 1 into 4 is plus 4. Next, my dear friends, 3 into 2 is 6 plus minus plus into plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next, my dear friends, 3 3s are 9 plus minus 2 plus 1. Next, my dear friends, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 4. Next, 4 2s are 8 plus minus 2 2s are 4 plus 2. Next, my dear friends, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. So now further simplify this. If you simplify this, you will get, my dear friends, 7 to 6 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Clear? Next, plus 2 minus 2 got cancels, 6. Next, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, my dear friends, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Next, my dear friends, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next, 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, here it is 14. Next, here it is 4 plus 2 is 6. 12 plus 1 is 13. 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 1. So this is your a square value, my dear friends. Clear? So this is your A square value. Like this, we can multiply any two matrices. So this is the normal method. We can multiply any two matrices like this, row by column. But now I'll discuss in short how to calculate this one. So please remember this. This is the answer you should get. So what is that answer you are getting? So my dear students, you should get it as A square value as 1948 112 8 14 6 5. So here, my dear students, please once check here. First row 1 into 2 is 2 plus minus 2 to the 4 3 to the 6. My dear students, here please observe once. Somewhere we got wrong here. This first row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus it's 2 into 2 plus 3 to the 6. So plus minus minus 2. That is 2 to the 4. Here it is minus 4 it is. Clear? Because 2 to the 4. So minus 4. Here this will become minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 is it's 4. So you should get it as 4, my dear students. So now we will discuss how to find how to find the two matrices, or how to multiply the two matrices in short, that I am going to discuss. So for that, my dear students, I erase this part. So now this up to here we studied this, how to multiply the two matrices. But today's class our aim is in short trick of the multiplication of the matrices. How to multiply the two matrices easily. So here the short method is, my dear students, first you should write here, or row, here it is, where we should find A into A. So we should find A into A. So what is here it is? A is 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1. This is the one matrix. Next, my dear students, I am multiplying with the same matrix. So therefore 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1. So I am multiplying these two matrices. So whenever you are multiplying these two matrices, first what should you do? You should write the here how many columns are there? 1 2 3. Depending upon this matrix, how many columns are there? That many times you should repeat the rows. So first I'll write 1 2 3. I'll write the rows 1 2 3. I'll write the same matrix twice, 3 times I should write, because 1 2 3, 3 columns are there. So therefore the same here it is, whatever rows in this matrix we have, the first matrix whatever rows we have, those rows we should write thrice, since here we have the 3 columns. Clear? So 1 2 3, again here it is 1 2 3. Next, my dear students, 1 2 3. Clear? Next, my dear students, here it is 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1. These are very simple, just it's starting, so therefore you may get confused. Once you practice this type, you will get easier. Easily you can multiply the two matrices. So 4 2 1, 4 2 1, 4 2 1. Clear? My dear friends, just I am writing for the first matrix 1 2 3 times I wrote the first matrix. So after writing this, you should write the, here it is, whatever in the second matrix, whatever columns we should have, the whatever we have the columns, that we should write in terms of the rows. So we should take this column in terms of the rows and we should multiply. So into, here it is 1 plus into 3 plus, because row into column, multiplication how we will done? Multiplication is row into column. So therefore 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. So therefore in the second matrix whatever we have the column, that column wise matrix elements we should write in terms of the row wise, that is 1 3 4 1 3 4, like this matrices. And similarly here also the same, here it is the first column in this part, entire part, whatever we have the row wise, that we should write in terms of the column wise, whatever we have we should write in terms of the row wise. Again here it is 1 into 3 into 4, and middle the sign is multiplication sign, and middle here it is addition. And next again here it is into 4 into, here it is 1 into 3 into 4. Clear, my dear students? And next, my dear students, next, which second time we should write the second column in terms of row wise, that is into 2 into, either into you can write, or else you can write inside the bracket you can write, because minus sign is there, minus 2 into 2. Again here it is the second column in terms of the row wise, into 2 into minus 2 into 2. Next into 2 into 2, here it is minus 2, and next into 2. And next fractions, here it is plus sign. Clear? Next fractions, here it is. Again to this we should multiply with the third column, that too in row wise, 3 1 1 into 3 into 1 into 1. Next into 3 into 1 into 1. Next into 3 into 1 into 1. Like this you should multiply, and in the middle here it is plus sign. Yes, this is 4. So if you further simplify this, you will get directly that answer only you will get. So like this you can multiply. Clear, my students? Only here it is writing work is there. No need to calculation. Simply you should write here it is. First what we will do? First you should check how many columns are there. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So being it is, if it has the 3 columns, we should write the first matrix. Whatever you are multiplying in the 2 matrices, in that the first matrix you should write, if we have the 3 columns, 3 times you should write the same matrix, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Clear? And next, my dear students, next whatever we have the second matrix, in the second matrix the whatever we have the column wise column elements we have, that we should multiply to each element of this arrangements, whatever I read, to that we should multiply with the column wise whatever elements we have, that we should write the row wise. Here it is 1 3 4 1 3 4. Next here it is to this entire first column, in this matrix to the entire first column we should write the row wise, 1 3 4 1 3 4, like this. Next second column, 2 minus 2 2, here it is 2 minus 2 2. Next 2 minus 2 2. Next, my dear students, third column, that is 3 1 1. Next 3 1 1 3 1 1. That's it. And next further simplify this, you will get this is equals to, my dear students, it's 1 into 1 1 plus 2 3 is a 6 plus 3 4 is a 12. Clear? Next, my dear students, 2 into 1 is 2 plus minus minus 4 plus 3 2 is a 6. Next, my dear students, 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 3 plus 3. Clear? Next, my dear students, 3 into 1 is 3. Next, minus 6 plus 4 into 1 is 4. And next, my dear students, 3 2 is a 6. Next, plus minus minus plus 4. Next, 2 into 1 is plus 2. Next, my dear students, 3 3 is a 9 minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Next, my dear students, 4 into 1 is 4. Next, plus 2 3 is a 6 plus 4. Next, 4 2 is a 8 plus minus minus 2 minus 2 2 is a 4 2 2 is a 4 plus 2. Next, my dear students, 4 3 is a 12 plus 2 1 is a 2 plus 1. So this is what after solving this, whatever you got, the same values you are getting. So further simplify this. Further if you simplify this, you will get it as 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Next one is friends, I'll write properly. Next 6 minus 4 is plus 2. Plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Next 6 plus 4 plus 10, that is 2 plus 2. 12. 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 2 is 8. Next my difference, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 14. Next 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 4 is plus 6. 12 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 is 15. So like this you can calculate. My dear friends, if you have any two matrices, you can apply this trick. Easily you can solve this one. If you multiply row into column, it may be complicated. So therefore, simply what should you write? It is here. Only the writing is little bit. We should write writing is more, not the application of or multiplication or operations we are using. That's not necessary. Only we should writing work is there. So what is that? So if I wanted to multiply the any two matrices, in short I am explaining. If I wanted to multiply the any two matrices, first you should check the number of columns in this matrix are whether equals to the number of rows in this matrix or not. You should check. If those two values are equal, that is the number of columns in this matrix is equals to the number of rows, the number of columns in this matrix. If that is equals to the number of rows in this matrix, then we can multiply the two matrices. And after eligibility test, this we can call it as the eligibility to multiply any two matrices. This condition must and should satisfy. Then only we can multiply any two matrices. So after satisfying that condition, simply we should write how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So therefore, whatever we are multiplying, if I wanted to multiply the two matrices, then the first matrices, whatever the first matrix is there, that matrix we should write the 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. That one time, 2 time, 3 times. 3 times I wrote the matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So likewise I write the 3 times. After writing 3 times, now to every element we should not multiply. To the first column we should multiply the first column elements, that too in terms of rows 1, 3, 4. That I am writing in terms of rows 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. I should multiply each element of the first column. Next 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Clear. And in middle we should add here it is. Next, my students, to the second column elements we should multiply the second column elements, that too in terms of the row wise. 2 minus 2, 2. Here next 2 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 2. Next, clear. Next, my students, third column, that is 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. And further simplify this, you will easily get the answer. And this type you can apply for even the matrices of the order 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, whatever order it may have. So you should check how many columns in this matrix are there. So that you should check. And if the 3 is there, means you should write the 3 times. If it is 2 columns are there, means 2 times you should write. Like this you can calculate the any two matrices. If you apply or if you solve by the normal method, it will be little bit complicated. It will take more time. So my dear students, this is the shortcut method. You can calculate easily the any two given matrices. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I will reply for that. And this is very easiest method. Clear, my dear students? I explain once in Kannada. Already ನಾವು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡಿನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೋಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. 1 2 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಿಲ್ಲ, 1 2 3 ರೋಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ರೋಸ್, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಈ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ರೋಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ, 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಏ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. 1 ಟೈಮ್, 2 ಟೈಮ್, 3 ಸಾರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 3 ಸಾರಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. 1 2 3 ಐತಿ, 1 2 3, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3, 1 2 3, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 2 1, 3 2 1, 3 2 1. ಸೊ 4 2 1, 4 2 1, 4 2 1, 4 2 1. ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 1 ಸಾರಿ, 2 ಸಾರಿ, 3 ಸಾರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 3 ಸಾರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 1 2 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 1 2 3 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 3 4 ಹಿಂಗ್ 1 3 4 ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೋ ವೈಸ್, ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. 1 3 4, 1 3 4. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 3 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ 2 2 2, 2 2 2, 2 2 2, 2 2 2. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ 3 1 1, 3 1 1, 3 1 1, 3 1 1. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ರೋಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 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 ಈ ರೀತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೋ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? I hope you understood this method. So this is very important and simple as compared to the normal method of the multiplication. So please try to practice this. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 3 ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 3 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, 2 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ಇದ್ರು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ therefore this is very short trick. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು a³ + b² 6a + 5i ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅಂತ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Clear? I hope you understood this short trick. Next we'll discuss the remaining part of this syllabus that we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.